Chapter 3. And the first 2 chapters, we built your home buying team by choosing a real estate agent to coordinate the process and a lender to help you understand the financing. Now comes the exciting part. You found a home you love.
So what happens next? Before your offer can be written, your agent gathers important information about the property, including the property address, the MLS number if the home is listed, the tax parcel identification number, and the legal description. Next comes one of the biggest decisions. What price should you offer? Your agent will help you review recent comparable sales, current market conditions, and the condition of the home so you can make an informed decision about your offer. You'll also decide how much earnest money to include with your offer. Earnest money is a good faith deposit that shows the seller you're serious about purchasing the home. While there's no required amount, an earnest money deposit of about 1% of the purchase price is common in Georgia. Your real estate agent begins preparing a purchase and sale agreement. This legal document becomes a binding contract once both the buyer and seller agree to all of the terms and sign the agreement. Next, you'll discuss your preferred closing date. Do you need to move quickly? Does the seller need additional time? Your real estate agent will work with the seller's agent to find a closing date that works for everyone whenever possible. The contract also identifies the closing attorney who will handle the transaction. In Georgia, the closing attorney prepares the legal documents, oversees the closing process, and transfers ownership of the property. There are several other important parts of an offer, including due diligence, financing, seller-paid closing costs, contingencies, and the deadline for the seller to respond. If some of those terms sound unfamiliar, don't worry. We'll cover each one in upcoming chapters, so you'll understand exactly what they mean before you ever sign a contract. Making an offer is more than choosing a price. It's creating a complete agreement that protects both you and the seller while outlining the terms of the purchase. Next time, we'll take a closer look at one of the first items included in your offer, earnest money, and discuss why it matters.
I'm Lori Walker. Thank you for joining me for Home Matters. Enjoy where you live, and I'll see you tomorrow at Out and About.